Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Just checking in this evening here. Just wanted to give you guys an update as far as some of the new promotional items we've got actually running here. Just picked these up from the shop today here. Had them all engraved and whatnot. These are absolutely fantastic and beautiful looking. Man, these came out really, really nice. Yeah, we've got actually quite a few of these available. We're actually going to be giving quite a few of them out. And whatnot, and yeah, these turned out really good. One little thing, if you guys are really paying attention to the logo, we actually had a little bit of a redesign on it, so it actually features now a Dodge Challenger is actually the car in the logo. So I guess I am technically wearing one of the sweatshirts, so that's not really any type of car on our original logo. I'm not really sure what kind of car that is. I don't think it's anything for that matter. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of chat and see we got some new cups made as well as a new logo design. Pretty cool little thing. And then as well as a something else we've got going on here today. Just finished up editing a repair video on a BMW X3 hood I did probably back in the springtime or something. I'm a little behind on the big production video edits for YouTube and for editing and stuff like that. But getting some time available here this afternoon, here a little bit later this afternoon, to kind of fine tune up this and get this. I've got quite a few of them like kind of about half made, or they just need the final touches. So that's kind of what's been kind of holding me off, or holding me up, I should say. But I've been doing, plenty of these live videos and whatnot, and then uploading these to YouTube as well, and then scheduling them out for the future. So just to kind of show you as far as what the new video here features, basically.
Behind this is the customer went into a restaurant to eat, came back out, and it had 2 dents in the hood. So can't have that in this brand new, beautiful looking vehicle. And we're gonna go ahead and take out this damage here using the Paintless Dent Repair method. Now this hood, a couple challenges we faced with this hood here. So this hood is all aluminum, which is not that big of a deal, but it's got no access to the backside. So I actually had to resort to the glue pulling method to work up.
You can see there's quite a bit of damage there, especially with the Paintless Dent Repair light. I know I can see it for sure, and it just kind of shows a different perspective as far as how we look at the damage.
I've got a lot of glue pulling experience and all the tabs that I could possibly need, and then some. Go ahead and take this damage.
Ain't that the truth? I got a crap ton of tabs. But anyways, so just getting this video uploaded here. It'll probably be out on YouTube. I'm going to upload it here this evening and either send it off live probably either later this week or probably early next week. I'm not sure. But anyways, we're still going to be having the daily videos and stuff like that on Instagram here, and then daily updates on YouTube with the videos from Instagram being put on YouTube. So if you want to follow us on there too as well, that'd be fantastic. Anyways, so I just figured I'd check in with you guys for the night. I'm going to edit a couple more videos here and keep rolling, and we'll get you guys updated as far as tomorrow. If you guys need to reach us for anything, feel free to go ahead and call or text us at 605-250-1023 or visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Hopefully you guys all have a great evening, and take care and enjoy the weather, man. It was absolutely beautiful out here today from what we had, about a week ago, when we get snow and 20 and 30 degree weather. Today it was, I think the highest I saw was about 69. Oh man, it was freaking beautiful out. So anyways, take care, guys. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.